Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and what are we going to discuss here is an indicator that gives, or let's say gives a lot of controversy when trading. I'm talking about using the volumes indicator. Volumes. Can volumes be used? Can a trade be taken based on volumes? Well, the answer is yes. Can they be reliable? I would say that I would be cautious. There are a lot of theories or trading theories when it comes to the volumes indicator. The most popular one, it is being called the VSA, and it is being called volume spread analysis. Volume spread analysis. Now, it is a very popular theory. It is very useful. Again, it has one problem. The volumes indicator, if you go and try to look at it, you go under the insert tab, then you go on the indicators, volumes, and you have accumulation, distribution, the money flow index, on balance volume or volumes. These are basically the volumes. So click on the volumes. You have green, bullish, red, bearish, of course. Let's go with them a bit bigger. Levels, you have levels on the volumes, visualization, and then you click OK, and you have the volumes posted below the chart. Now, these volumes here represent the volume of each and every candle. So let's zoom in like this. If you go and take the crosshair from here, see here you have a corresponding volume line on each and every candle, It represents the volume traded on that candle. Look in here, 7792. Now if you go and take the data and you look at the volumes, take a look. In this one you have a volume of 74,566. In this one you have a volume only of 39,487. On this one you have quite a small volume. What does it mean, green or red? People basically bought or people sold at that specific level with that specific volume. Now, what's the problem with it? The problem is that the volumes indicator, it is referring only to the volumes traded by the clients of that specific broker. It is not referring to the volume traded by the overall FX market. So only those clients of those brokers. Now, okay, of course, it gives you an idea, a general idea. I mean, it is an average. It is more than nothing. But again, it is referring only to the volume of the client. If you go on another trading platform, on the Dukascopy, for example, and not the Dukascopy, the JForex, you will find out that the volumes indicator is referring only to the clients of the specific broker, what they traded. So from this point of view, it is a bit tricky, but from other point of view, it still can be used. So let's write this down, that this is the biggest disadvantage of the volume indicator. Basically, it is referring only to the clients of a specific broker. Basically, the broker that you have the account open, either a demo account or like it is this one, or a live account, it doesn't matter. It shows only those levels. Now, that is the big disadvantage. What is the standard interpretation? Well, the standard interpretation of volumes is that the bigger the volume, of course, the bigger the volume, then the more it means that market participants bought aggressively at that specific level, at that candle, after that candle. The smaller the volume, then it is showing a consolidation. Usually low volumes like this, are coming in Asian sessions and so on, but nevertheless shows the direction the market participants are forecasting that price is going to go. It is showing, if you want, supply and demand level, but how can it be traded? Well, find out on the second part how to make a trading plan based on the volumes. Stay tuned, please.